like we are blind. Level 3. So guys, I came up with a solution. Everything it's my lembe one. So namuntlha it's like it's a final day. It's free or before that could have to curfew and everything. Everything it's my lembe one say buy because lembe le one she I could show what I so Tama tahlupeka ngopfu loko swi ta ka le ka biri ka ta tika guys a hi swi tivi 2021 yi ta hi khomele yini but maybe these prophets now va ta va ri na xixo xi vulavula xa ntiyiso kumbexana va vone something February March April May so mina ni ku everything by happy once you know loko ni vona president a vulavula hi level 3 ni hleketa swo swin'wana ku guys have you guys realized ku matriculants this year only went into class for 3 months. These guys are going to get certificate. But Imalusi for what? For what? Only 3 months. These guys are lucky, guys. Yo, I remember Nico 12 months. So I think these guys are going to get matric certificates just for 3 months. Okay, that's fine. That's another issue. Have you guys seen this President Guku Melila? Ngaraba chippies or something? I'm not sure. Maybe it's something else we can talk about. So guys, we're going back to the mask, full mask, you know, that temperature thing. Let me talk about the mask. We all know the mask, the only challenge that you have as much as you get the health benefits. If I'm not demolished, so we're going back to that fully fledged. And another thing is the whole temperature thing. Just lockdown for me, it's good. You know, we're going to improve health, whatever. But that thing of take a temperature. Feel temperature, but the idea delay. Look, say that number I like that temperature say drop 36. So to tell you that guys, lockdown. Level 3. I mean, I don't know what you guys think about this whole thing. You know, when I go back to school, when I go back to work, you know, she'll see me, guys, not relationship, me. But the good thing is, I cannot marriage. Hey, but that's what taking that girlfriend, boyfriend, I said that one. I swear, guys, I can stop. Salute.